Villarias. Winnie J. Orpilia. Winnie G. Orpilia. Carmelita A. Scu. Herman S. Villaluna Jr. Arnel A. Nota. Alan T. Ku. Catherine D. Tan. Garrett M. Aquino. Romil G. Talibo. Leo C. Ching. Rosel J. Pujas. Jennifer A. Su. Percival A. Bien.
First of all, I'd like to thank Ambassador Antonio Basilio for his support for the success of these skills trainings, which we conducted for the first quarter of 2012. Thank you very much, sir, for your support. and of course, our labor attaché, Regulus Conferido. Of course, I also would like to thank our partners, especially from the media, Ate Nene Ho, who also made an effort in also announcing our skills trainings through her newspaper, The Migrants, and I also heard her announce this skills training through ICRT. I'm sorry. Of course, thank you also very much, Mr. Raul Manila. And of course, I'd like to thank also our OFW leaders here who have been also very supportive in our skills training program. Also, I'd like to thank the committee members in making our program for this afternoon a success. Our cook for today's snacks, Miss Bermarie. Nasaan si Bermarie? Sana mabusog mo kami, Miss Bermarie. Of course, she was assisted by Jane Diaz, Marilyn Cordon, and of course, Rachel. For the stage presentation, tignan nyo naman, napakaganda ng ating stage. Lizelle and Amor. For the facilities and sound, although, sir, siguro kailangan na talagang palitan yung ating sound system. We have Don and Ruel. So, sabi nga nila, kung mayroong formal opening sa program, this is also a formal closing in our program for this afternoon. But it doesn't mean na dito na magtatapos ang ating programa, especially for the skills training, kasi po magkakaroon pa tayo ng next batch ng mga iba't ibang training program. On April 15, we will be again conducting the values reorientation and financial literacy plus program orientation on what our skills training is all about. And the following Sunday would be the start of our next batch for our skills training. Alam sa inyo na ang OWA po, maliban po sa pagbibigay natin ng also giving support in terms of business counseling sa mga nag-undergo na ng skills training natin. We could also conduct business counseling or project proposal preparation para doon sa mga nagbabalak na magtayo ng negosyo. And aside from that, that's why at the early part of our activity, mayroon kaming distribute sa inyo na brochure on National Reintegration Program for OFWs at saka brochure for our financial assistance or loan assistance being given by our agency. So kung may mga tanong po kayo, feel free to call us or visit our office doon sa MECO. The loan assistance being given is from 300,000 to 2 million depending on your project. Pero syempre, idinadaan po ito sa ating partner financing institutions, the Land Bank of the Philippines or Development Bank of the Philippines. Kailangan pong feasible ang mga project proposals ninyo. So for those who are intending to go home, visit any OWA offices, regional offices, or yung office natin sa Pasay and inquire about this loan assistance. Maliban po dyan, we also have the NRCO service hub doon po sa Intramuros, Manila. So, for any other assistance pertaining to your proposed project, just visit our office. I also would like to take this opportunity to announce, nagkakaroon po tayo ng activity on June 10. Ito po yung ating celebration ng Migrants Day and of course the Philippine Independence Day. It will be conducted at Sinchuan Gymnasium doon sa Panchao. Okay? And meeting together with our labor attaché, planning for the said activity. At ang balak natin dito ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng fundraising activities through raffle tickets para magkaroon naman po ng pondo ang ating PhilCom. 1/3 will be utilized for the raffle prizes, 1/3 will be for the fund of the PhilCom, and 1/3 will be, sabi nila dapat kanina, proposal pa lang ito, no? It would be for the improvement siguro ng ating facilities dito sa ating training center. Gaya ng sinabi na natin, medyo pumapalya ang ating sound system, so kailangan na siguro palitan ito. No? So, we just hope we have the full support of the Filipino community para sa success ng mga activities natin ito. So, thank you very much again. Nag-enjoy tayo lahat. Napakasaya ng activities na ginawa natin ngayong hapon. So, I'd also like to thank our instructors again. Thank you very much. Ms. Mingming, being our MC, and Ms. Ara. Sana po, mas masaya pa yung susunod na batch natin.
Waki na, waki!